What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are back at TLR Creative Studio, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to add text in the video. I don't know like how do they call this, but that's exactly what I will be showing you, putting like an overlay of a text over the video. So the first thing you have to do when you get into Shotcut is just to add your video, and this is a video that I have right now. So the first thing that I will have to do is to click Ctrl I to add a new video track. Then I have to click Ctrl I maybe about twice. So I will just take the first one, then I put it on video track number 1. Just drag it and put it there. Then I'll just go straight to that other, open other, click there. Then you can go to text. Then here you just go to add whatever you want to add. I'll write Shotcut to keep it very straight and forward. Then you say add to the timeline, so it will go straight to the timeline. Then that is my text. Then I just go straight to it. Then I just make sure like my text is starting from here. Actually I can just keep it like that. I can just go straight to this. I just make it to be like the full perspective of that video. Then I'll just do the reverse. I just want my text to be black. Then I want my outline to be white. So my outline to be maybe a little bit of like this. Then I'll go down from here. Actually I can make it blue because like the Shotcut logo is kind of blue. Let me just make it blue. Then I shall go downwards like that. Then I'll go straight to the vertical fit. Then I'll go straight to middle just to put my text there in the middle. Then I'll go straight to the playlist. Then I click Ctrl I to add another track. Then I just take this track and put it straight to the top. I'll go straight to open. Then I'll go straight to color. Just make sure you go straight to color. Then from color you just come here to color. Then you choose black. Let's choose white. No, let's go with black. Then you also add to the timeline. Go there. So let me just change my open tunes color to be green. So we'll be removing that green using like a chroma key. Let me just use green. I'll be removing the green using the chroma key. So we want to remove green using the chroma key. So firstly I just want to make my text a little bit bigger. Then I will just come here, just go straight here. Let me just type 100. Then just make sure like I'm on bold. Just click OK. Then that's how big it is. Just come to click here to remove all that outline. Just come straight here to file, go straight to export, go straight to frame. Then just make just click OK. Just because I'm using Quickly, tell me like everything will be done in the low quality videos. So just from here you go straight to where you want to save it. This is where I want to save it. Screenshot. Just click OK. Then it will just take the screenshot of that position. Goes back to a playlist. Then I'm done taking like the screenshot. All I have to do is just to delete this. Go back to my files. I open like where my screenshot is saved. Just drag it there. Just drag it. Then you go back to your video. Then you insert it there. I don't know why it's taking so long. Then you just take your text, you come and put it over there. Then you just drag this so that it can be the length of the video. Then you go back to filters, you go straight to add. You can just add chroma. Then you can just use any kind of a chroma key. Then that's perfect. Then I can just increase this. Then when I play it, you can see like that's how it will look like. There's the video after this, then there's a text on top of it. This is how you do it, guys. This is how you add a video over the text. Thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you on the next one. Hope you did enjoy this one. Like, share, don't forget to subscribe.